welcome to the Ruffled Daisy. Today we are going to create an adorable gingerbread house garland out of a kit that I have, or you can use little wooden block houses that you can get from Dollar Tree. We're going to start by putting a coat of brown paint on our wooden blocks. These are in my shop. They already have holes drilled in the edge so you can make a garland. My favorite brown that is just reminiscent of gingerbread colors is actually from the brand Anita's, and it is called Blush Brown. I am using a couple coats just to get some really good coverage on my wooden houses here, but it truly is the perfect gingerbread color. Once these are dry, we are going to color our beads, or you can leave them plain, as you will see that I did here. Now we're going to add the decorations. I use a Posca pen, which is my favorite paint marker ever, and we're just gonna put some little scallops around each of the edges of the window tops, and then you can see that I did a door and put some scallops around that. And then just to dress it up a little bit more, we're just adding some lines and dots. The really fun thing about creating gingerbread houses is that they are very simply decorated, which makes this perfect project for a beginner, or you can really dress it up if you are an advanced crafter. You're gonna see me using these plastic little snowflakes that I got from Walmart. They come in a pack of 12 and they're super cheap, and I just cut the pieces off, cut the little snowflake tendrils off, and we used them. You can see I put one at the top of the middle house. I am just threading this together. I used the plain beads, but you could definitely color them to be red and white, whatever colors you wanted that matched your style and your taste. Once you have it all beaded together, I created some tassels at the end, and then I made just a tiny little bow tie bow that you can use to put over the top of the tassel, and you're gonna see that here in just a second. So at this point, I thought that it needed a little bit more, so we're gonna add some little Christmas trees. We are simply taking a triangle shape and just scribbling for this one, and then the first one you saw, I just did some long skinny triangles that I traced. Super easy to do and just brings a lot more character. I did end up adding some enchanted shimmer over the top of all these, and it just gave it a really fun shimmer and shine for the holidays. I think these turned out absolutely adorable. They are the perfect little addition to your home that not everybody has. You are not going to see these in any Walmart or Target. If you loved this DIY and love all things home creative, please visit my website at theruffleddaisy.org and make sure to follow me on all the social media channels. Thank you so much for watching today.